Here we have a 2023 Bayliner Element M17 in the Impulse Blue. Comes equipped with standard trailer from Bayliner. Has the ski tow bar already equipped. And this comes powered by a 90 horse Mercury outboard 4-stroke. Backward seating facing. This is a great small boat to get on the lake with, have some fun. Has the gray interior with the bow filler cushions in the front, marine grade radio, comes equipped with a full bimini top. If you have any questions, this boat is located at Bay City SkipperBud's in Bay City, Michigan. Call today.